welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another video. This video is all about Microsoft's latest official Windows 11 version 10.0.2 to 0.0.51. I'll be showing you in this video how to update it, and a quick information before updating is that this is a beta version, so you will experience some bugs. So if you want, only then you update this, otherwise you have to wait. So for this you have to go to Windows Insider program in settings. There you have to turn on optional diagnostic data. When you will toggle it on, then you go back to Windows Insider program, where you have to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you just sign up there with new account. Then you will get to choose between these three channels. You have to select dev channel because it will be the first to get all the latest updates. Then the updates will come to beta channel and release preview channel. So go to dev channel, then go back to Windows Update section in settings, check updates. Make sure you have a good internet connection. Have some patience. Now you can see Windows 11 Insider Preview 10.0.2 to 0.0.51 core release is downloading. Wait till it gets download. In the meantime, you can subscribe to my channel. Now it's 94%, 99%. Now here you go. Now it's installing. So installing will take about half an hour. In my case it was half an hour, depends upon internet connectivity. So when it will complete installing, you will get a request to restart your PC or laptop. When you restart your PC or laptop, it will be updated to Windows 11 Pro or 11 if you have a genuine version or Pro version. So now click on restart now. So I'll be skipping the whole restart process because it will take too long. Now we are back to our desktop. Now I will search system information to show you the information of the OS on my PC right now. You can see OS name Microsoft Windows 11 Pro, version 10.0.2 to 0.0.0, build is 22,000. Now I'll be posting another video about all the features of Windows 11. Stay tuned to get all the latest updates. You can see whole layout is changed. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.